Hello, data learners. So, right here, I have an example for you about how to do your sheet about the milk and the white milk and the chocolate milk. But I'm going to be using a different example. Here we have some data about students who prefer cats and students who prefer dogs. So we're going to answer the same exact kinds of questions that you have on your sheet, just using different data. So, number 1 says on this example, how many students prefer cats? So what I'll do then to answer that question is I will go ahead and count the amount of students who prefer cats. So each one of these cubes, although there's circles on here, represents one learner. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 students who prefer cats. Number 2 says, how many students prefer dogs? So I'm going to go through and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 students prefer dogs. For the third question, it's asking how many students answered the question. So in order to know that, I would have to look at our data and go, oh, well, we have 10 students who answered the question of and answered with preferring cats, and then we have 11 students who actually prefer dogs. So I always like to count on starting from the bigger number. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So how many students answered the question in total? 21. Now here it says on another sheet of paper, draw 2 cube towers to show how students responded. And instead of doing that, I think it's completely okay for you to find a spot on your sheet. And I noticed that there was spots right next to the boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and just erase this right here, and I'll show you what I mean. So there were 10 cats, well, 10 students who prefer cats. So I'm going to draw a row of 10. And then there were 11 students who preferred dogs. So I'm going to draw a strip of 10 and a single to represent 11 students. Now, as always, please be sure to double check your work and